That. Go. This is my grandson. Trying out the new King Cobra.
Okay.
He's switching lanes. You can keep going. Push it all the way down when you get on the straightaway. Right about now. Push all the way down. That's all the way?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta speed it up a little bit. Oh, there you go. Going faster now. Go ahead. There you go. Yep, Carrera Digital. He must be holding down the lane button because he's switching on all the lanes. You like it?
Am I done?
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Carrera Digital, right?
Mm-hmm.
All the way. All right, YouTube guys, I hope y'all like this. The new King Cobra with my 7-year-old grandson getting down.